Hello everyone, welcome to today's Kafka session. Today we will understand about the role of idempotent producer in Kafka. Before moving further, let's try to understand what is idempotent concept in programming language. One simple example I can give. We have a method or a function. When we execute method one times or execute method multiple times, and if we keep the input same, then we will always get the same output. This is a meaning or explanation of idempotent in layman terms. Now we will see what is the role of idempotent producer in Kafka. Let's move further. Okay, here we have four roles for idempotent producer in Kafka. First is it ensures exactly one's delivery. What does it mean? It means that this ensures messages are delivered exactly once to a Kafka partition, even during retries. That is the first rule that we saw. Next one is unique producer ID. Each producer gets a unique ID which is used to track its messaging sequence. Next is the sequence numbers. It maintains a sequence number for every producer partition pair. And what is the need of it? It will use it to detect and discard duplicates. Last one is in network issue and retry handling. It is retry safe. This will prevent duplicate messages caused by network issues or producer retries by leveraging ID and sequence tracking. These are the four rules of idempotent producer in Kafka. This is a quite brief video. We will have a detailed video on the same concept, and there we will explain with code how exactly all these are working. If you like the content, you can subscribe the channel. We will have similar videos coming up, and again, this is a quite brief video. We will have a detailed video coming up on this. Thanks a lot for watching and supporting us. Thank you.